margarita, vegan mayo. Hey!
Hello everyone, look who I'm with. It's
me!
Nikki. I win. No. Okay, so Kat is here with me in Mallorca. She's trying on my sunnies.
Oh my god, you need to clean these.
Oh my god, they're so nasty.
They're salty.
Stop, I love these.
Ah.
And
We're
yeah,
gonna jump in the pool because I'm sweating.
exactly. We might be going later to a cove. If we are up for it, we can go see some fishies.
That was so sloppy. Not what I was planning on doing. The water's really nice.
I know. Okay, so the last time I saw you was
In Austria.
a month ago.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, it's almost a month ago. It was like on the 3rd. It was the 27th.
it hasn't even been a month. We went to
like
Austria
3 weeks.
together.
It was really fun.
Yes.
Best trip.
And
I already have like 3 more trips for us planned.
oh really? Where?
We should go to Copenhagen.
Okay, down.
So I was watching Emma Chamberlain's video today of her in Copenhagen. I was like, that looks so fun.
Okay, second trip.
Well, you're definitely coming to LA with me at some point.
Oh yeah? Like, when is that happening?
I think this winter, sometime like December, January. I think maybe January, just because I miss it once.
Yes, and I will come.
One. And then...
So my mom just came and she brought us sliced watermelon, just like in Kat's house, and she brought Kat an ice cream. We can also make like an iced coffee if you wanted to. Yes. Yes, let's do that. Okay, so we just got home and now we're gonna make ourselves an iced coffee because we're really tired and we want to go to the beach as well. So here's our iced coffee. Enjoy. What does yours have in?
Cold brew, ice, oat milk.
Okay, mine has cold brew, coconut milk, and agave syrup. Okay, where are we going right now? Yay!
So cute.
She is shook. Here we are. You're doing great, sweetie. There she goes. Beautiful girl. We're at the beach now.
I'm so happy right now.
Obviously, she is with me.
Yes.
So
Honestly,
we just...
I'm always happy when I'm with you.
Oh,
You're like
same.
basically my sister.
I have to show you guys from where we just jumped. It's the smallest cliffs, but it was a big deal to us. So we jumped. You see where this person is? Then not from there, but from like next to them, like on their left. Kat was really brave.
I jumped from higher up than you.
Oh yeah, she did, 100%. But I did it twice.
Ooh, this is like a core memory. Where all my core memories are with you.
They better
Like
be.
the one where we were running off the mountain in Austria,
Yeah.
and this one.
Okay, sexy moments. Like, look at this view. Like, look how insane this is. So yeah, this is basically what I've been doing every day for the summer. Every day that I was not traveling somewhere else. Usually with that girl over there. It's been fun. We're both going back to London. When we're going back, we're both gonna go back around the 10th. Don't know how to feel about that. Time for us to leave. Okay, we are walking up.
I'm so sad I'm leaving.
Now one last time, we're going to the pool to take a quick shower because we're full of salt. Hello, it is, I'm not naked. I'm wearing this skirt, this long skirt that is addressed to me, but it is now 10 p.m. and I'm gonna have dinner now. Why is my hand so shaky? We are going to be making dinner. I've got some rice leftovers and I'm gonna be adding this vegan bolognese sauce, and then I'm also gonna add spinach. And I thought we had cherry tomatoes, but we don't, so I'll just grab a regular one. This should do. So Kat left. To be honest, it really did not feel like a goodbye. Like, I wasn't even too sad to say goodbye to her because I just know that I'm going to be seeing her in no time. Probably see her, what, 2 weeks? So more than a goodbye, it just felt like a see you later. But yeah, I had the nicest time with her. I swear it makes me so happy when my friends come visit me in Spain, and she will definitely be returning, or I will make her cutting board. But yeah, this is like my daily life lately. It's been honestly the most fun, fulfilling, chill, wholesome 2 months that I've been here. Hello, we are back in my kitchen. It is the next day right now. I want to make a summer salad, and I thought I would just show you what I do. So again, I'm gonna try and place you somewhere here. So this is some of the ingredients I've got lined up. We've got some sweet corn, but I'm gonna add more, lime, cherry tomatoes, onion, avocado, radish, spinach, cucumber, and chickpeas. So now I'm just gonna wash all the veggies and then I'm gonna make my salads. So I'm just gonna be starting by cutting all the cherry tomatoes into 2. Today was a slow morning, as most of my mornings here. I woke up at 11:30 and got out of bed, brushed my teeth. I went up and my sister was awake too, so she made us an avocado toast and I made us a smoothie. Then I made myself an iced coffee after I journaled. I think it was one of my friends that yesterday, or I don't know when, she sent me this TikTok about like how it's also really important to also journal on days where you feel amazing and not just, you know, journal on days when you're struggling, which of course is going to help you so much. But I was just feeling in a very good mood this morning, so I just wanted to put that on paper. So I journaled and then I was just texting my friends for a little bit. My mom currently has a cold, so hopefully this salad helps her and gives her the vitamins that she needs. Look how perfect this looks. This is just the kind of stuff that gets me excited. I was also thinking about London this morning, and I was just journaling about the fact that, you know, even though I'm having honestly the best time here, I'm also excited to go back and just have fun, you know, see all of my friends. I don't know, just city things that I cannot do here. I am absolutely obsessed with radish. Weirdest taste, but I love it. And now I'm gonna add some cucumber, onion. It's probably my go-to salad in the summer. I usually always do the same thing and love to add some chickpeas. Oh my god, that was really obsessed with my sweet corn. Now I'm just gonna be adding half an avocado, a little bit of salt, a lot of pepper, and a lot of virgin olive oil. And that would essentially be it for the seasoning. And now this is the finished result. This is what it looks like. Like, how good does this look? I feel like this is really gonna help my mom. What do you think, Mom?
Great. Looks so delicious.
Hello everyone, today is Saturday and my sister and my mom are going thrifting. I haven't gone thrifting in a while and this is probably the last time that I'm gonna be thrifting in Mallorca. So let's see what we find. Okay, so first stop is the flea market, which I'm super excited to be at again because I haven't been in a flea market forever. One of the things I swear I miss so much about London are the car boot sales. I honestly cannot wait to be back and go to a bunch. It's so hot, I'm legit walking in my bikini and well, I'm wearing a skirt, but yeah, it is that hot. This is like the only thing I can wear. Okay, now we're going to the next place. So I just walked in and they like, this isn't even a store, like this is legit, I'm in a warehouse and there's no AC in here, and they told me I had to wear clothing and I was like, it's really hot here and there's like no AC. They were like, yeah, no, this is a store. So in the end I had to put on a top, and I can't show you what I'm wearing because I legit just bought it from the flea market. I bought something for one of my friends and I know that she's watching this vlog, so I can't show you what I am wearing now. But yeah, basically one of my friends, she really likes this brand, and I found this t-shirt from this brand that she really likes, so I was like, oh, I'm just gonna get it for her because I feel like she would really like it. But yeah, and I'm wearing that right now. I mean, you can see like a bit of it, but I'm not gonna show the rest because otherwise like the person would know that it's for her and I don't want her to know because it's a surprise. So yeah, basically I have to wear clothing now, and I don't think I'm gonna last a lot in the warehouse because it's that hot. I'm so sweaty, but oh well, I'm just gonna take a quick peek and then go outside so I can wear my bikini again. Honestly, fuck the fashion, like the homeware section of thrift shop is just so much more interesting. This would be so cute for my hot matcha in the winter, and it's €1. What do we think? I don't know. Okay, look at what I just found in the kids section. Like, it is €1. It's a simple white t-shirt and it's for like 9-10 years, but as a crop top I feel like this would look so cute. I really like this. Honestly, kids section wins. Wait, show me that. Ooh, I like this. Also, this dress I feel like is kind of very cute. Okay, I just got out and I'm back in the car, but with the windows open. Wait, how can I adjust the lighting? Much better. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you again, like this is the t-shirt I got. It is super tiny, but I think it's gonna look perfect as a crop top. But yeah, I think I want to end the vlog here. I am nervous to post this because it's been forever since I have posted a video on YouTube, but I honestly just want to get home and start editing. Also, I love how this hair just goes like, this is like what the humidity in Mallorca does to you. This is what it is. And this woman is like staring at me because I'm talking to a camera with the door of the car open, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm just enjoying talking to the camera right now. But I'm gonna leave it here. I'm sending you lots of love. I hope that you really like this vlog. I hope that you have an amazing day. And I will talk to you soon.